Hello and very good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Rakesh Singh Paraste, Assistant Professor of English from Swami Vivekanand Government Postgraduate College, Harda, Madhya Pradesh, India. And today I am going to talk about the very important topic that is success in life. How to become a successful person in our lives. This video is totally based on my personal experience, what I have achieved and what I am doing here right now by the grace of God and by the blessings of my lovely parents and my respected gurus. So before starting this video, I would like to thanks my PhD supervisor, ma'am, Professor Abhilasha, ma'am. She is working as a professor of the Department of English and Foreign Languages, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, and my respected guru, Professor Krishna Singh sir, Head Department of English and Foreign Language, IGNT, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. And this video is dedicated to my respected gurus. So now I am starting this video. So we all of you know that everyone wants to become a successful person in their life. So what are the key elements are required to become a successful person? So first points, that is performance. How you perform in your life, how you perform in your field, how you perform in your area. So success, it depends on your performance. And next, that is persistence. So the persistence is very important quality for become a successful persons. And always we have the quality of discipline wherever you are. Either you are in office or you are in anywhere you are at home, any place, but you have the quality of discipline in your life, whole life, you can say. And the attitude, because you know that before starting any important work, any new work, so we have so many kinds of negative attitude, negative ideas are there, and so many negative ideas comes in our mind. And so many pupils are also advising us that no, this work is not suitable for you, you cannot do that. But please avoid these negative things and accept positive attitude, positive things are there. Always be positive thinking you have. And next points, that is failures. You know that failure is the essential part of success. If you do not fail to your life, so it means that you can't become a successful person. So failing is very essential parts of success, because after failing you have to know that what are the limitations and what are the you can say weak point in our life. So failing is very important for successful persons. And next thing is that hard work is very important part, because you all of know that there is no shortcut to become a successful person. So you should have, but you must have to hard work. And not only hard work, smart work also very needed, because you can say 50% of hard work, 50% smart work also. And risk taking is very important part for becoming a successful person. So you see every a great leader or every successful person, and behind them you will find they took a risk in their lives. And after all, that's why they become successful persons. So because they took the risk in their life, so you should take risk, and you should have the quality of decision making, risk taking. And the important thing is that power of determination, it means that you have the quality of power of determination. So whatever you want to become in your life, so you have the quality of power of determination. So what I have to achieve in my life, what is my goal. So and how to find out my goal and my targets, this depends on the power of the determination. And excel, so please extend your excel, your work efficiency, your quality of your work, and dedicated to your work. And as well as the last but not least, that is the quality of patience. It means that you have the quality of patience. Patience is very important part for you. And the next second image you can see here, when you enter in school or high school, so at that time the world looks like a very beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful world this is, what a beautiful life our it is. And when you enter in college life, so at that time you are the midst of schools and college lives. And at that time, because after you all of you know though very well that all of you know that after completion of your diploma or degree, so at that time most graduate students are facing right now the very you can say very dangerous problems, you can say that is the problem of unemployment, because in their schools and college life, they haven't chosen any kind of, you can say, the right path. So after the completion of your degree or diploma, they face the problems after completion of college education. Because at that time, so you say that, oh, I have completed all my degree and diploma and my education, but after the completion of your college, you feel that, oh, I have to do one more thing, because life is not stay here. Because it means that I would like to say here, after completion of your college educations, just you are become an eligible person, but you are not a successful person. After completion of your college, you are only eligible person, and the after that, your journey of your life will start from here. So you can see here, oh, I have to do one more thing. And this video, you can say, there is always the consequences to your actions. If he pulls to that person in the down, so definitely he will also go down from there. And as well as this third image, you can see here, please never give up. Because I would like to say, and I request to all of you, please do your work as a constant manner, as a continuously basis, and please never give up. Always you should try, by hook or by crook, you should try to give your best. Because this person is working very hard, but sometimes we face that, no, 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 I cannot do more things like that, because I cannot achieve my target. And at that time, the mostly pupils are disappointed at this position, but they never know that how close you are. And this video, this image, you can say, the leader is leading the office. It means that leader, the boss, has the quality of leadership, the risk taking, as well as, you can say, the decision making power. And whatever the leader is doing, the subordinate staff will definitely follow to him. And I have already talked about, we need not only hard work but smart work also. Because this person is pushing this buffalo, and this person is pulling the buffalo, but it's not working properly, you can see here. And as well as, this is called smart work, because this person is hanging the grass, and definitely the buffalo will follow to him. So this is called smart work. And the last, this image, you can see here, because before starting any new work, so at that time, we think that, we face that, no, I won't do it. But if you have the power of determination, you have the power of, you can say, to do something, to do new something in your life. So next step, second step, you can say, I can't do it. But please, please, you don't say I can't do this, because you can do anything in this life, because everything is possible in this world, nothing is impossible. So in the third step, this person says that, I want to do it, but how I do? And do how do I do it? And I will try to do it. This person says in the fifth stage, I will try to do it. And after the next step, in the sixth step, this person can, I can do it, and I will do it, and definitely, yes, I did it. So this is the step of success. So which step have you reached today? So please don't disappoint yourself. Always be positive thinking you have, and always you have the quality of discipline, and always accept positive things, avoid negative things. And failures are the important and essential parts of success. So definitely you will become the successful persons in your life. And I would like to say that all these activities, all these experience, I have learned from my life. So this video is totally depend on my personal experience, and this video is dedicated to my respected gurus there. And I hope that this video will be very useful for all the person who watch it. And please response me your nice comments. And thank you to all, and have a nice day. Best of luck for your bright future. Thank you so much.